How to use sleep function via P01.19 and P01.20. Setting the lower limit of running frequency to 20 Hz, P00.05 equals 20 Hz. Setting the keypad set frequency to 30 Hz, P00.10 equals 30 Hz. Setting the action selected when running frequency less than frequency low limit to sleep, P01.19 equals 2. Setting the wake up from sleep delay to 5s, P01.20 equals 5s. Setting the keypad set frequency to 10 Hz, P00.10 equals 10 Hz. At this time, the VFD running frequency is less than the lower limit. Frequency and VFD sleeps on standby. Setting the keypad set frequency to 30 Hz. P00.10 equals 30 Hz. At this time, the set frequency of the VFD is again greater than the lower limit frequency. And continue to P01.20, set up the wake up from sleep delay. The VFD runs automatically.
INVT. INVT.